Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel.
The Gadget Directory.
Today, we are diving into the future of dental hygiene as we present the top 5 best electric toothbrushes for 2024. The number 1 toothbrush on our list is Oral-B IO Series 10. This is a rechargeable electric toothbrush, cosmic black with 4 brush heads, travel case, and IO Sense charger with visible pressure sensor to protect the gums. It has 7 cleaning modes and a 2-minute timer. Brush conveniently on the go with the charging travel case and the 3-hour fast charger. There is a display that always tracks your battery level. Get whiter teeth from day 1 with the IO dentist-inspired round brush head by removing surface stains. The price of this toothbrush, $399, and it is available on Amazon. The number 2 toothbrush on our list of 5 is the Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige. Rechargeable electric power toothbrush with Sense IQ technology, senses, adapts, and cares for your teeth whilst you brush. It removes up to 20 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush does. It has a sleek design, and it is very compact with a premium leatherette travel case. And of course it has USB charging. The price of this toothbrush is $379, and it is available on Amazon. The number 3 toothbrush on our list is the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9700 Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrush. Expect complete oral care, and you also get smart sensor technology for an exceptional clean. It removes up to 10 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush and improves your gum health up to 7 times in just 2 weeks. It removes up to 100% more stains in just 3 days. Wow! It offers 4 different smart brush head types, which automatically pair with the appropriate brushing mode, and smart sensors provide real-time feedback. The price of this toothbrush is $339, and it is available on Amazon. The number 4 toothbrush on our list is Supersmile Xena 45 Deluxe Sonic Pulse Electric Toothbrush. The Xena 45 has an exclusive polishing head that ensures a professional-grade shine, while the patented 45 the brush head has 4 unique modes that clean above and below the gum line, whilst also removing stubborn stains for optimal oral health. It has an automatic 2-minute shut-off timer, quad timer, and 30-second interval alert to ensure a thorough clean every single time. The price of this toothbrush is $339, and it is available on Amazon. The last in our list today is number 5. It is the FOREO ISSA Black, a rechargeable electric ultra-hygienic sonic toothbrush with silicone and PBT polymer bristles. It offers 4-in-1 complete oral care because long-term oral health means cleaning the entire mouth. The innovative hybrid brush head offers an invigorating tooth clean and gentle gum massage, as well as a tongue-in-cheek cleaner on the back of the toothbrush head. It is ultra-hygienic, lasting up to 6 months. The improved ISSA hybrid wave brush head reaches every nook of the mouth and combines PBT polymer with gentle, medical-grade, non-porous, soft silicone bristles, free of BPA and phthalates. The price of the toothbrush is $215, and it is also available on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments below which electric toothbrush you are most excited about for 2024. And that's it for today, folks. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy brushing!